How to fix Discord error code 50012. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why this occurs. First, it could be you are using a wrong account or wrong sessions, or it could be you have invalid permissions, or it might be the account is expired or incorrect token. So the first fix is open Discord and then log yourself out fully on your browser or your app, and then go ahead and clear the browser cookies if necessary. Further, log back in and then try the authorization link again and see if it works. If not, it might be that you are signed in to the wrong Discord account. So, switch to the correct one that has access to the server or bot. Next, it might also be due to bot permissions. So if you are trying to invite a bot, make sure you are the server owner or admin. Also, sometimes the error appears only on a browser, so you can switch to your desktop app, or if you are using your mobile app, then switch to the Discord desktop. And lastly, if nothing fixes your issue, it might be the external app or the bot. So go ahead and contact the bot developer to verify the app is configured correctly on Discord's developer portal. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Discord error code 50012. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.